back again to my channel. I'm super excited to bring you a perfect recipe for some rice cakes of Vitumbua. So step number one, you're gonna add your rice in a container. I use 4 cups of rice. And then in the morning, you're gonna drain all your water and add your rice in a big blender like mine. The next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna add some sugar, and I used 4 spoons of sugar. Also 1 spoon of corn flour to give it like a very thick consistent. Also 1 spoon of vanilla essence and honey to give it perfect aroma. Then the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna add 1.5 cups of milk and then blend your rice. Then that's how your mixture is gonna look like. Gonna pour it in a container and then you're gonna add some yeast. Make sure that you're mixing your yeast with your batter. Then the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna cover your batter for a good 1 hour, and then in a pan, you're gonna add some oil, and then you're gonna heat up your oil and pour your butter. Make sure that you're pouring in a consistent manner, your butter in each cup, and you're gonna cook each side for a good 8 to 10 minutes. And I'm super excited already for the final, rice cakes of Vitumbua. Then that's how it's gonna look like, and you're gonna enjoy this with your tea, coffee, or just as a snack. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.